Late, so this is your penalty. Sorry. Go ahead, Fazrena.
Okay, hi everyone. Thank you so much. Firstly, I would like to apologize for being late. I practically ran here.
No, it's okay. It's not casual.
Oh my god. Okay. I've been here since morning, but I just got back to pray. Anyway, my name is Fazrena Aziz. I am the managing director of Tudung People. So Tudung People is a hijab company. We started off as e-commerce back in 2011. So that was the time where e-commerce is very new in Malaysia. So we are one of the pioneer, I would say that. We started just when e-commerce was booming in Malaysia. So fast forward 8 years later, currently Tudung People is within the top 5 hijab e-commerce in Malaysia, Alhamdulillah. And we are opening our second store in Ikano Power Center, Damansara.
Congratulations, and I would need to congratulate you as well because Tudung People won the Best Muslimah Fashion Award 2018. SME Corp.
Thank you.
Right, and it was for Halal Fashion.
Yes.
Halal Fashion.
Halal Fashion.
That's the particular category.
Yeah.
Alright, be ready for that. I'm going to ask you a little bit on Halal Fashion.
Okay, we
Alright.
can do that.
So Fazrena, Tudung People, you guys. Thank you. Next. Alright. Riel.